Hello, good morning sa mga husband dira. Today, wala klase and I'm preparing our breakfast. Ma-prepare ko some breakfast. And for our breakfast, I will make an onigiri for the breakfast. So, how was it? Let's do the preparation.
Another day, another break in the promise was always a kind of mine. It's the way that I learned to begin, it was only a matter of time. I pray that I don't have to pay you for it yet, but I'm willing to gamble on a bet. I'm willing to forgive and forget. Say one thing to me and I didn't swear it's over the best. I've heard all the toxic people telling me to give it a rest. I'm too sensitive.
This is probably, yeah, sobra ko sa onigiri. It's time we will boil this. According sa aking research, we will boil this 2 to 3 minutes. 2 to 3 minutes ang ating boiling period. Ito mo na lang ibili. Only 5 na lang. Pero goods naman na. Okay, let's try this.
Go fuck themselves. Oh, it's a habit I wanna break. Like a baby panties on display. You pull me in, I can't go away. Nothing matters. It's a pattern. Oh, it's a habit I wanna break. Like a baby panties on display. And you pull me in, I can't go away. Nothing matters. It's a pattern. Will I always be wasting my time? Feels like everyone's wasting my time. Will I get over it? Over the pattern. You don't think it's fair, then get in line. Not waiting to go on a green light. Stop digging for dirt in the coal mine. Just keeping up, just keeping my patterns. Just keeping up, just keeping the pattern. Just keeping up, keeping up. Oh, it's a habit I wanna break. Like a
Nalagbog tang sa sorry for sa gahot kaya kainit ko tubig. Init ko tubig para matimpla kape. Okay. So, I should toast. Kaya magbugtang na si mama kasi ano. So, let's toast. Okay. We're already bugtang. Good morning. Star margarine, puno ng vitamins. That's it lang.
Do you hear that? My sanity about to break while everyone I know's out. On a trip, on a boat, on a lake. I'm tired of feeling a FOMO, babe. I don't even care if we stay home. Put our to-do list on ice. We crank the AC to 79 and make a little island right here. And there ain't a palm tree in sight, but there's not a cloud in your blue eyes. If we need a drink, I'll be the bartender. I got a fifth of Patron and a blender, baby. Slipping on a swimsuit is overrated. We don't need a beach to get half naked. Life's too short, let's not waste it. 'Cause paradise is wherever we make it. up Monday. We'll tell our phones, do not disturb. I got my straw hat, babe. And you can finally pull the tags on your Tommy Bahama shirt. Blue crush up on the 85-inch sound machine.
Okay, hi guys. Let's do this. What we call the onigiri, homemade onigiri. Wala ko sang ano. Wala ko shaper. So ginulam ko ano yung balunan sa akong bata. Pinapalangga ko. So, dili na sa gamay lang siya ng area. Dili na siya maubusan. We have Japanese mayo by Lady's Choice. Agay do ano ba no? Nang gani endorsement ba kasi no. Nori. This is Nori. Okay, let's start. Ikata ni ang ay nagligat ko, wala ko naging cut. Lagba ma? Dapat hindi siya gali lagba. Para eksperimento naman ta. But ano naman ni Guaya sinikaron. Hindi man ko magamba nga bahala na si Batman, kaya ako man yung obra. Bahala na si Manuel. Dunutang kami. Yan. Crab meat on the moon. Bahala mo daw kung paano niya imuon yung onigiri. Amo niya paano kami mag-ubra onigiri. Sunod lang man namo sa SM. Damo gali mo.
Damo na yan.
5 lang ni kabilog na stick, inubos ko na lang.
Pero damo na.
Okay. Next.
Gamit mo kayo mo front camera nga ayos wala sa
Wala kaso. Ang ba't makaigot na yung mayonnaise.
nagbakal ka man ba?
O nagbaka ako bago may yung ano yung. Si Polo to. Ay, igo mo sa gali ah. Klaw ay man kung tama kadama ang mayon.
Very good. Y is for yarn.
Very good. Our baby is so smart. Siyempre, dayawan ko akong bata. Bata ko na gitna. Smart mga bata ko. Tama lang ah. Hindi lang siya tama. Ikasabaw no? The texture is good.
Do you have mangoes?
Ha? Onigiri man yan. Ang onigiri wala yung mango yan. Ang ano lang. Ang do sushi wala or do gimbap wala.
Half onigiri, half may mango.
Uy! Butang ako mango. May mango pa man daw.
Mango lover ko dad.
Half mango eh. Oh. Half. Galing white a triangle, so we will do this as it is na lang. Pag gusto lang kuya kay ako ni. Gusto ko biyang onigiri nga bilog. Blado ba? Blado nga vlogger ba? Vlogger yarn. Hi, Anya. do sa piyo ta magubra-ubra sang babalaan talaga. It is what it is ah.
Mama, oh Papa, I got a boo-boo. I got a boo.
You got a boo-boo. Mama, she got a boo-boo.
It's okay.
She got a boo-boo.
My lovey. My lovey, lovey. I love you. Oh.
Mo, bango.
Dog. Ayaw man to eat.
Nga, unta lang yun.
Yan.
Tada!
Ito pala yung isang texture yun. Ang atong niya na bakal, tayo doon ka black-black, siya doon ka brown.
Mm. I-half ko lang na siya because tama siya kalapad for our onigiri.
Grabe, 15 years yung gap. Ito, tatay na yung mga yun.
Oo, kita ko na. Magulang yan, no? Dako-dako na. Pila ng edad sa magulang niya.
Yung chisin siguro. Then 3 ang bata or 16.
Paano ni? Ariel.
Grabe ang rescue sa Japan, sa China.
Hindi makakas.
Grabe ang rescue ba?
Hmm.
Parang cobra na.
Ana?
So, namin ang rescue boat nila yan, oh. Gamo ang rescue lang.
Oo. Namin isang rescue boat nila. Tada!
Ang China, prepared together, eh.
Oo eh. Ano na sila yan? Baid na sila sa amin sila. Okay. Okay.
I-budget din sila yan. Kaya gani boat, wala.
Ay, bangka. Styrofoam.
Tamos lutaw-lutaw sa styro.
Tamang lutaw-lutaw sa styro. Kung mabtan ka ti Mayo, kung wala kung di umabtan ti ano eh. Not that perfect, pero okay na. Homemade lang man eh. Kami lang man yung makao. Huh? Hindi ka pa nayawang kakao. Diba?
Gusto ko yung mango. Ang rolls ba lang ha? Ang mahal na.
I'll make you a roll.
Wala ka galing ano? Ang dakawayan. Lagi na shape ba lang?
Oo. White as in. Nang burn, matakot ka na.
At ito, mahal namin.
As if nga so, nga makompetensya kita ka ng burn. Hindi nang para lang sa balay namon na nang. Wala niya.
Dapat may mango pa, may cucumber.
May homemade onigiri nga pinalagpat. Importante makaon. Amahaw na nila.
Yan ito, mouth.